Welcome. If you want to get Lightning Edges on your Umidigi S2 Lite, and first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type Lightning Edges. We are going to download this application from Sun and Lightning. Let's install. Right now we can open. And as you can see, we can set one of this theme. I will go for this default. Click to OK. And of course we can customize this theme, don't worry, we can scroll down. And we can change animation speed, border size. We can change the edges top and the bottom the same. We can of course tap to create. And it's very important to go here and tap to enable overlay other apps. Click yes, click on the switcher, then just go back, click it another time, and as you can see, here we got this Lightning Edges on our Umidigi S2 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!